Hey everyone, and welcome back. PHD2 is by far the most used guiding software in astrophotography. One of the most important and critical aspects of PHD2 is your calibration. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new feature that was added to PHD2, the auto-calibration feature. This new auto-calibration feature improves on PHD's current calibration system by adding in a function for automatically slewing your telescope to the right portion of the sky. Previously, when you were using the calibration, you would hit go and it would say, oh, you're currently not pointed to a good portion of the sky and the calibration data might be off. The new calibration system just adds an automatic feature where it will automatically pick the best portion of the sky, which you can modify if it doesn't work with your roll-off roof observatory or whatever you are using based on obstructions. And this calibration system will automatically go through a routine, picking the best point for the calibration and going through the whole process yourself. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install this system and get it running on your own PHD guiding setup. All right, so to get started on this, you're first going to go to the Open PHD2 guiding webpage and you're going to click onto the download. And we're going to go right here to the development snapshot build, and we're going to download the v2.6.11 dev 6. This version came out for me 2 days ago, and they released the new calibration assistant tool in the 5 version, which is about 2 weeks ago. So you're just going to download the Windows exe file right here, and we will get that running. All right, so here we are in PHD2. Once you've downloaded it and you've got it all installed, you can see up here it says dev 6. We're going to go to Tools and Calibration Assistant, and you'll see it's been modified a bit. It shows our current pointing position as well as our calibration location where we would like to go. And it's very easy. All we need to do is hit slew, and then we hit calibrate once it's finished slewing, and then it will be all done. And this will provide a much more accurate result than going up into Stellarium and trying to find something. This is exactly the right way to do it. I'm so glad that PHD has finally added a calibration assistant that adds slewing into the mix. Previously, I had to go into Stellarium to pick a bright star, and this is much better. All right, guys, it's really that easy to set up the new calibration assistant in PHD. You just download the new dev version, do a few clicks, and you're off to the races with much better calibration than when you probably had before. And at least if you had good calibration before, this takes out a few of the steps that would be a little more cumbersome in the previous version. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and if you're not already subscribed, please do. It helps out my channel a lot. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.